In this short video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of WhatsApp status not showing up properly. It's a common problem that can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to stay connected with friends and family through updates. Whether you can't see the WhatsApp status of others or they can't see yours, this guide will walk you through some practical solutions. Stay with me to the end to find out how to restore deleted WhatsApp messages. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar issues, including WhatsApp glitches and privacy settings, and we'll explore this one together. Now let's get started on how to fix WhatsApp status not showing. To get started, first, ensure that the contacts you're trying to view or share statuses with have saved your number in their phone. This is important because WhatsApp requires mutual contact storage for status visibility. Next, head to your phone settings. Navigate to WhatsApp and make sure that the app has the necessary permissions, especially for accessing contacts. If it does not, here's how to permit WhatsApp to access your contacts. Go to your phone settings. Scroll down to Apps or Applications. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap on Permissions. Make sure Contacts is toggled on. Also, check your WhatsApp privacy settings under the Status option and ensure it's set to My Contacts. To do this, head over to WhatsApp Settings. Next, tap on Privacy. Then select Status. Ensure that it's set to My Contacts to share your status with everyone in your contacts. Before we explore more of these fixes, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more WhatsApp tips. Now let's continue to explore more fixes for WhatsApp. If none of these steps resolve the issue, you might need to clear the cache or offload the app to refresh it. On your iPhone, go to Settings. Next, tap General. Then select iPhone Storage. From there, find WhatsApp and choose the offload option. This won't delete your data but can help eliminate any glitches. Android users can clear the cache by long pressing on WhatsApp. Then select App Info. Tap on Storage. Then tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right. After doing this, restart your phone and confirm the status visibility problem is resolved. Sometimes, people who have this status problem also are not able to restore deleted WhatsApp messages. No problem. Tap to watch this video linked here to find out how to restore deleted WhatsApp messages. To explore more helpful video tutorials, check the description below and subscribe to our channel. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more WhatsApp video tutorials, click this card. Thank you for tuning in.